Product type: hair styling agent. Item package dimensions: 4.318 cm L x 4.572 cm W x 17.272 cm H. Item package weight: 0.227 kilograms. Country of origin: United States. Ingredients: rice and keratin amino acids assists in moisture loss, helping to combat frizz. Tomato fruit ferment extract improves hair structure for better curl retention. Helps to repair damage and strengthen. Abyssinian oil and moringa oil. Rich in antioxidants and omega-9 to hydrate, improve manageability, strengthen hair fibers and enhance shine. Top reviews from the United States. Defines my natural curls. I didn't notice a scent. After trying a multitude of over-the-counter mousse that weighted down my long hair natural curls, I decided to pay the price for a higher-end product. It is worth it. Just be certain to apply a generous amount for best results. When shaking the product before use, remove the cap and shake vigorously while holding your thumb over the nozzle or the product will leak out. I will continue to use Curln in spite of the price.